Well, the tax filing season has begun, and while tax returns are due the same time every year, the rules can change a bit from year to year. So Fox 5 team's Dana Fowle is here with a few things to note this go around. Dana?
You're right. Some of these things change every single year, and you need to know that when you're doing your own return, which you're doing right now, right?
Right?
Know that the IRS has a page called Get Ready. There are a lot of things in there, but if you scroll down, you will see this: what's new and what to consider when you file in 2023. Starting with this, that more taxpayers will receive a Form 1099-K. What's that? Well, these will be directed at folks who do business over those third-party apps like Venmo, Zelle, CashApp. The new income threshold for reporting money paid on these apps is $600 a year. It used to be $20,000 a year for goods or services or 200 transactions, but now these apps are really frequently used for business. The IRS is making sure to get that tax money too. Here are a few things that may affect your refund. No more stimulus checks were issued in 2022, so you can't get that in your refund. Some tax credits returning to 2019 levels, which means a smaller refund than what you've been used to. More people may be eligible for something called the Premium Tax Credit, or PTC. This can help you or your family cover premiums for health insurance purchased through the health insurance marketplace. There are rule changes for claiming a clean vehicle tax credit. The maximum allowed for an electric vehicle is still up to $7,500, but, and this is huge, if you bought it August 17th, 2022 through the end of the year, then final assembly of that vehicle must have been completed in North America. I got to tell you, that last one really gets in the weeds, so you're going to want to read up on that one. I'll have a link to all of these changes and the Get Ready page on our website, fox5atlanta.com.
Okay, so let's go back to those payment apps like Venmo. I mean, so many of us use those a lot. People that were concerned about getting caught up with the IRS.
Oh, I know. I've heard that
those.
conversation
Yeah.
too. And, you know, I use it for everything. Gifts, college-age cousins. I'm the soccer team manager, so I collect the money. I use it all the time, but it's not about paying someone back for a slice of pizza. That's not what we're talking about here. It's about people who conduct real business on these apps. They will need to pay taxes now the way they would at an old-fashioned register. And we talked about this earlier. People had started getting to the point where they didn't want you to pay the traditional way. They were like, oh, just send it to me through CashApp.
Yeah, right.
That's why.
So they're on top of that.
Yeah.
They're keeping an eye out for that.
So the IRS is kind of behind on it, quite frankly. Yeah.
Okay, well, good to know. I mean, it's a lot to keep up with, so it's good we can count on you to keep us up to speed.
Well, the IRS has got that page, so I advise to look at it.
Check it out. All right, Dana, thanks so much. We appreciate it.